Green means go. Only when the signal turns green, vehicles move ahead. Yellow means to slow down. When the signal turns yellow, vehicles should slow down. Be conscious of driving and always when moving on a sidewalk. Always wear a seatbelt while in the car. It helps against harmful movement like a sudden brake. When getting fuel for car, always turn the engine off or it may catch fire. Do not use your mobile phone while walking, driving, or riding any vehicle. Now you know a lot about road safety. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Jai Hind. I'm a traffic policeman. Truth believe. Do you know the traffic rules? When you see a red light, means you have to stop. When you see a yellow light, means you have to get ready. When you see a green light, you have to go. Don't forget these rules, otherwise Truth Bully will come and catch you. Dhanyawad. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you traffic rules. First is we should follow the